One question and one follow-up. Une question suivie. First question.
Hi, Prime Minister. Mackenzie Gray with Global News. Did you apologize to Donald Trump about Ontario's anti-tariff ad?
I did. I did apologize to the President. The President was offended by the act, or by the ad, rather. And it's not something I would have done, which is to put in place that advertisement, and so I apologize to him. En français, oui, j'ai fait mes excuses pour l'avertissement de l'Ontario. J'ai fait mes excuses au président pour l'avertissement de l'Ontario parce que il a fait du mal de lui. Premier point. Deuxièmement, ce n'est pas mon choix. Et moi, je suis responsable pour les relations avec les États-Unis, avec le président des États-Unis. I'm the one, in English, I'm the one who is responsible in my role as Prime Minister for the relationship with the President of the United States, and the federal government is responsible for the foreign relationship with the U.S. government. So things happen, we take the good with the bad, and I apologize to him.
That he viewed the ad with you in advance of it going to air. Since you're the person that's solely responsible for negotiations, did you inform Mr. Ford that this is something that you did not want to go forward with?
Yes. Well, you saw what came of it.
Yasmine Média avec Radio-Canada, juste pour clarifier, est-ce que vous avez dit à Doug Ford de ne pas diffuser la publicité?
Oui, je l'ai vu, je lui ai avisé que c'est le moment de parler. Comme j'ai dit aux Canadiens et Canadiennes, c'est le moment de parler, de discuter, de faire des négociations avec les Américains. C'était la stratégie du gouvernement du Canada. Et nous sommes responsables pour la stratégie, pour les négociations par rapport aux Américains. OK, M. Ford, il a pris une décision, il est indépendant, il peut le faire. Mais ce n'est pas exactement utile. Deuxième question.
Oui.
Alors. Oui.
On va y arriver.
Okay.
Vous dites que c'est le temps de parler aux États-Unis. Donald Trump a dit clairement qu'il ne voulait pas vous parler. Quand est-ce que vous allez changer d'approche? Est-ce que ce n'est pas le moment de le faire?
Comme je viens de dire, nous sommes prêts de résumer les négociations quand les Américains sont prêts. Mais s'il faut prendre des décisions après un certain temps, on va le faire.
Next question.
Après un certain temps. On attend, madame.
Judy Train with CTV News. Prime Minister, if I could just ask for your clarification. You said that you told Doug Ford that he shouldn't air the ad. My question then, the fact that Premier Ford went ahead with the ad, the fact that the Premier of BC wants to put out an ad, the fact that the Premier of Manitoba, Wab Kinew, supports Doug Ford's ad, does this show that there is division within Team Canada, that the premiers don't trust you to negotiate?
I think there is, well, the individuals can speak for themselves, and they're practiced in speaking to themselves, and they will speak for themselves. There are other premiers who have different view in terms of the utility of those ads, and you can speak to them. I'll repeat what the situation is with those who actually have been talking with the Americans and have been negotiating with the Americans. That we start from this position, which it does bear remembering, that we are in a position where 85% of our trade is tariff-free. We, like every other country in the world, okay? Every other country in the world has issues if they produce any of the following: steel, aluminum, automobiles, pharmaceuticals, forest products,